Listen up, because when the mercury starts climbing, the last thing you want is a piece of equipment that quits on you. I spent 17 years in the field and a good chunk of time as a nuclear power electrician, so I don't look at fancy plastic and marketing fluff. I look at the guts, the electrical load, and the serviceability. Today, we're putting two 8,000 BTU contenders in the ring: the Friedrich Chill Premier Inverter and the Hisense Smart Inverter. Friedrich is the old school heavyweight in this industry, known for a diverse range of mounting options that make installation and maintenance a lot less of a backbreaker. Their Chill Premier Inverter uses the U-shaped SimpleSill design, which is a game changer because it allows you to actually open and close your window even after the unit is locked in. Hisense, on the other hand, is the tech-heavy challenger with a 2026 inverter lineup built around an easy-install, slim profile. They simplify the mounting process, but they currently lack that specialized U-shape or saddle design. Now, let's talk about the magic under the hood, the inverter compressor. Both units move away from old rotary compressors that kick on like a hammer and draw a massive inrush of current. In a standard AC, the compressor cycles on and off, and that constant cycling kills efficiency and hammers your power bill. These inverters run like a dimmer switch, slowing down once the room is cool. The Friedrich hits an impressive 15.0 EER, while the Hisense keeps pace at a solid 15.0 EER as well. Price-wise, you're looking at a gap, with Friedrich usually retailing at a premium for brand and rugged build quality. The Hisense is the value play, known for offering feature-rich units at competitive price points. Both come loaded with Wi-Fi and voice control through Alexa or Google, so you're not sacrificing smart features on the budget option. Before we get to the paperwork, do yourself a favor. Clean your filters every 2 weeks and check your drainage. I've seen too many broken units that were just choked with dust or sitting in a pool of stagnant water because the owner didn't tilt the back down a 1/4 inch. The warranty is where the cracks start to show, with Hisense offering a standard warranty and reduced coverage compared to legacy brands. Friedrich, however, stands behind their engineering with a 5-year compressor guarantee. In my experience, having that specialized compressor protection is a major safety net for your investment. If I'm putting my reputation on the line, the verdict goes to the Friedrich Chill Premier Inverter. Yes, it costs more upfront, but in the HVAC world, you get what you pay for. The Friedrich's 15.0 EER, that innovative SimpleSill U-shaped chassis, and the superior 5-year compressor guarantee make it the professional's choice. It's a buy once, cry once situation. Shop like a pro by using the head-to-head tool on HVACforbeginners.com.